My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be walking around our 2024 Ford Tourneo Custom. This vehicle has done just under 47,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that we have 9 seats in total, all of which are full cloth. As we step inside, we can see that we have cruise control, voice control, Apple and Android CarPlay, navigation, driver assistance, and our 5 different driving modes. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with our parking camera with front and rear parking sensors.